all the party leaders, and all of you who have come out here in such great strength to show your support for our candidate, Mr. Jigor Mathong, who is the NPP candidate from the Motion Road constituency. My dear friends, the political wave is changing. If you look at whole of Meghalaya, the people have decided that they have had enough of the Congress. They have realized that Congress has not done anything for them. They have realized that Congress party is nothing but just Mukul party. There is no party there. Dr. Mukul does everything that he wishes. In a party there has to be democracy. In a party there has to be voice of everybody, and those voices must be heard. But in Congress party today, the Congress people have realized that there is no democracy. The public has realized that this political party and Dr. Mukul have no interest in helping the people and helping the people to resolve their issues. You look at the situation of the coal. My dear friends, I am very sorry to say, but Dr. Mukul Sangma, as Chief Minister of this state, if he really wanted to make sure that this koila and this coal business starts again, he would have made an effort to meet the Prime Minister, to meet the Coal Minister, to meet the Mining Minister, to meet the Environment Minister of India. But do you know how many times he met them? Not even once. Not even one meeting with the Prime Minister, not even one meeting with the Coal Minister, not even one meeting with the Mining Minister, not even one meeting with the Environment Minister. Here only clearly we can see he has no desire or no intention to help you start your coal business again. My friends, we have seen the work of the Congress for the past 5 years. We have seen that they have not been able to help us. If you all feel that it's okay, I don't want development, I don't want roads, I don't want school, I don't want this coal business to start again. If you all feel like that, then please go ahead and vote for Congress. But if you want to change things, if you want to see that our state gets the development that it deserves, that our children get the future that they deserve, that the coal industry that has been closed for so many years opens up again, then you must think differently. You must give power to a new party, a party that cares about you, a party that understands the plight of the people, a party that wants to create a new Meghalaya. And that party, my dear friends, is the National People's Party. Let us march ahead together. Let's work towards creating a new Meghalaya. And let our voices from here be the beginning. Let this be the beginning of the change that we all want. So that in the next 5 years, we can proudly work for our state. And we can be proud of who we are and what our state is.